Hi, my name is Dylan Sager. We are going to travel through the body and discuss how the skeletal, urinary, and muscular system and how they affect the body. Our first stop on the journey through the human body is the skeletal system. Skeletal system. Explain the function and the body you provide.
I am the body system composed of bones and cartilage and perform critical functions to the human body and what the skeletal system does. I support the body, facilitate movement, protect the organs, for example, heart and lungs, store and release minerals and fat.
Skeletal system. If you did not exist, what would happen?
Bones provide a rigid structure to protect and be anchor for muscles, tendons, and organs. Without bones, the body would collapse, and normal functioning such as eating, drinking, sleeping, talking, and movement would be impossible without an extreme level of assistance.
Skeletal systems. What kinds of illnesses can you get?
The kinds of diseases I can get is bone cancer, which is in the bone marrow. I can also get leukemia, which causes the bones to be fragile. This is a cancer of the white blood cells.
Our second stop on the journey through the human body is the urinary system. Urinary system. Explain the function of the body you provide.
I work with the lungs, skin, and intestines to maintain the balance of chemicals and water in the body. My primary organs of the urinary system are the kidneys. My kidneys are bean-shaped organs that are located just below the rib cage in the middle of the back.
Urinary system. If you didn't exist, what would happen?
My kidneys are key players in the urinary tract. My kidneys do two important jobs. They filter waste from the blood and produce urine to get rid of the waste. If my kidneys didn't do this, toxins would quickly build up in my body and make you sick. An example of this is high white blood cells can be a sign of infection.
Urinary systems. What kinds of illnesses can you get?
I can get kidney stones from substances in urine. This happens when the waste builds up and it is not able to be removed from the body. As I age or after my human has a baby, I can lose the ability to control my bladder, also known as urinary incontinence. I can develop fluid-filled cysts that can be very painful to my human. My kidneys can become very sick and result in chronic kidney disease. When this happens, I may require dialysis or a kidney transplant to maintain my life. Your urinary system is made up of your right kidney, left kidney, ureter, bladder, and urethra.
The final system we will be passing through today is the muscular system. Muscular system. Explain the function of the body you provide.
I am the organ system consisting of skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles. I permit movement of the body, maintain posture, and circulate the body's blood. My system, together with the skeletal system, forms the muscular skeletal system, which is responsible for movement of the human body.
Muscular system. If you did not exist, what would happen?
If I didn't have muscles, we would not be able to open and close our mouth, shake someone's hand, or even catch a ball. I would not be able to provide nourishment to your body as the muscular system assists in moving your food through the digestive system. I work with the digestive system, which allows for your food to break down and your body to absorb its nutrients and discard its waste. Without me, you would not be able to smile, blink, or breathe.
Muscular systems. What kind of illnesses can you get?
I get diseases and disorders of the muscles. This can include muscular dystrophy, muscle weakening diseases, tendinitis, degenerative tendon disease, tetanus, paralyzing bacterial infection.
This is the end of our journey through the human body, focusing on the skeletal, urinary, and muscular system. Back to you, Jerry.